Our planet teems with remarkable landscapes, vibrant cultures and bustling cities, each whispering tales of adventure. From the Himalayas to the Caribbean, the world beckons explorers to uncover hidden treasures. Planning your next adventure can feel daunting. Join us to unveil 20 extraordinary destinations, each brimming with unique experiences. Traverse continents, delving into bustling metropolises and serene natural wonders. Uncover ancient ruins, marvel at modern architecture, and immerse in rich cultures. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be captivated by our top 20 must-visit destinations for 2025. Adventure awaits. Our journey commences in the heart of Europe, in a city that has captivated hearts and minds for centuries. Paris, a symphony of elegance and charm, where history whispers from every cobblestone street and romance blossoms beneath the twinkling lights of the Eiffel Tower. Here, art enthusiasts can lose themselves in the masterpieces of the Louvre, while fashion aficionados find inspiration in the chic boutiques of the Marais district. Stroll along the banks of the Seine, indulging in delectable pastries and soaking up the ambiance of this enchanting city. Did you know that Paris boasts the highest concentration of Michelin-starred restaurants in the world? Indeed, the culinary scene here is as impressive as its architectural wonders, from traditional bistros serving hearty French cuisine to innovative restaurants pushing the boundaries of gastronomy. But Paris is more than just a feast for the senses. It's a city that invites you to wander, to discover hidden courtyards and charming cafes tucked away on quiet side streets. It's a city that lingers in your heart long after you've bid it adieu. We journey eastward now, to a land where ancient traditions seamlessly intertwine with futuristic innovation. Tokyo, a sprawling metropolis that pulsates with a kinetic energy all its own, a captivating blend of the old and the new. Skyscrapers pierce the sky, casting long shadows over serene temples and tranquil gardens. Neon lights illuminate bustling streets where salarymen hurry alongside geishas in traditional attire. Delve into the city's rich history in the ancient Asakusa district, home to the magnificent Sensoji Temple. Experience the tranquility of the Imperial Palace Gardens, a serene oasis amidst the urban sprawl. But Tokyo is also a city of cutting-edge technology and pop culture. Lose yourself in the vibrant Akihabara district, a haven for anime and manga enthusiasts, or experience the thrill of robot-themed restaurants and interactive museums. Tokyo is a city that never sleeps, a sensory overload that will leave you breathless. And now, we journey across the vast Atlantic Ocean to a concrete jungle teeming with life, New York City. This iconic metropolis, built on the dreams of millions, pulsates with an energy unlike anywhere else on Earth. Here, towering skyscrapers pierce the sky, dwarfing the bustling crowds below, a testament to human ambition and architectural ingenuity. From the bright lights of Times Square to the tranquil oasis of Central Park, New York City is a city of contrasts. Explore the diverse cultural tapestry of its 5 boroughs, each with its own unique flavor and charm. Whether you're wandering through the galleries of MoMA or catching a Broadway show, New York City promises an unforgettable experience. Our next destination takes us to the heart of Italy, to the ancient city of Rome. Rome, once the center of a mighty empire, stands today as a living museum, its streets echoing with the whispers of emperors and gladiators. Here, history comes alive in the crumbling ruins of the Colosseum and the Pantheon, architectural marvels that have stood the test of time. But Rome is not just a city of the past. It's a vibrant, modern metropolis where life is lived with passion and gusto. Indulge in the simple pleasures of Italian life, sipping espresso in charming cafes, savoring delicious pasta dishes, and strolling through picturesque piazzas. From the ancient wonders of Europe, we venture now to the sun-kissed shores of Sydney, Australia. This vibrant metropolis, nestled around a stunning natural harbour, is a city where urban sophistication meets laid-back Aussie charm. Here you can climb the iconic Sydney Opera House, its sail-like design a marvel of modern architecture, or stroll across the harbour bridge for breathtaking panoramic views. Beyond its iconic landmarks, Sydney offers a playground of outdoor adventures. surf the waves at Bondi Beach, hike through the lush blue mountains, or encounter unique wildlife at Taronga Zoo. With its infectious energy and stunning natural beauty, Sydney is a city that captures the imagination. Journey to Cape Town, where the Atlantic and Indian Oceans collide. Dominated by Table Mountain, this vibrant city offers diverse experiences. From the bustling V and A waterfront to the historic streets of Bo-Kaap, Cape Town is a feast for the senses, alive with laughter, music and spices and a melting pot of cultures. Natural wonders set Cape Town apart. Take a cable car to Table Mountain summit. Encounter penguins at Boulders Beach or witness southern right whales offshore. Cape Town will capture your heart. Next, we find ourselves in Barcelona, a city on the northeastern coast of Spain, renowned for its stunning architecture, vibrant culture and Mediterranean charm. Here, the spirit of the artist Antoni Gaudí lives on in the whimsical and awe-inspiring buildings that grace the city's streets. From the Sagrada Familia, a masterpiece of Gothic and Art Nouveau architecture still under construction after over a century, to the whimsical Parc Güell, with its mosaic-covered benches and gingerbread-like houses, Gaudí's influence is unmistakable. But Barcelona's architectural treasures extend far beyond Gaudí. Stroll down the bustling La Rambla, a tree-lined pedestrian street teeming with life, and admire the Gothic architecture of the Barcelona Cathedral. Explore the labyrinthine streets of the Gothic Quarter, where ancient Roman walls whisper tales of the city's rich history. Barcelona is a city that invites you to wander and discover its hidden treasures at every turn. Prepare to be dazzled as we travel to Dubai, a city that rises from the Arabian desert like a shimmering mirage. Once a modest fishing village, Dubai has undergone a remarkable transformation, becoming a global hub of innovation and extravagance. Here, towering skyscrapers pierce the clouds, pushing the boundaries of architectural ingenuity. The Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, stands as a testament to human ambition, offering unparalleled views from its observation deck. But Dubai's allure extends beyond its modern marvels. Explore the traditional souks, where the air is thick with the scent of spices and incense, and barter for gold, textiles and souvenirs. Experience the thrill of a desert safari, riding camels across the dunes as the sun sets in a blaze of glory. Dubai is a city of contrasts, where ancient traditions meet futuristic ambitions, offering a truly unforgettable experience. From the grandeur of Buckingham Palace to the historic Tower of London, this city boasts a rich tapestry of history and culture. The River Thames, a silent witness to the passage of time, winds its way through the heart of the city, reflecting the ever-changing skyline. The bustling streets, known as the Island of Gods, Bali is a paradise of swaying palm trees, pristine beaches and ancient temples. The air is thick with the scent of incense and the sound of gamelan music, transporting you to a realm of tranquility and spirituality. From the vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life to the majestic volcanoes that pierce the sky, Bali is a feast for the senses. The warmth of the Balinese people, their smiles as genuine as the beauty of their island, will stay with you long after you've left. Perched atop dramatic cliffs, Santorini is an island forged by fire, its iconic whitewashed villages clinging precariously to the edge of a volcanic caldera. The Aegean Sea shimmers below, its azure waters reflecting the brilliance of the Greek sun. The sunsets here are legendary, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink and purple as the sun dips below the horizon. A sense of romance permeates the air, making it the perfect destination for couples seeking an unforgettable getaway. From the ancient temples to the bustling markets, Bangkok is a city of vibrant contrasts. Here, the ancient and modern worlds collide, creating a sensory experience unlike any other. The air is thick with the aroma of street food, a symphony of sizzling woks and fragrant spices. Monks in saffron robes walk peacefully amidst the urban chaos, a testament to the city's spiritual heart. The Chao Phraya River, the lifeblood of Bangkok, winds its way through the city carrying long-tailed boats laden with goods and people. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the city's skyline, one can truly appreciate the magic of this captivating metropolis. Straddling two continents, Istanbul is a city steeped in history and cultural fusion. Once the capital of both the Byzantine and Ottoman empires, its streets whisper tales of emperors and sultans. The iconic Hagia Sophia, with its soaring dome and intricate mosaics, stands as a testament to the city's rich past. Nearby, the Blue Mosque enchants with its cascading domes and 6 minarets, a masterpiece of Islamic architecture. The air is filled with the sound of the call to prayer echoing from minarets across the city. In the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world, the sights, sounds and smells create a sensory overload. Rio de Janeiro, the marvelous city, is a place where natural beauty meets urban exuberance. From the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue atop Corcovado Mountain to the vibrant beaches of Copacabana and Ipanema, Rio pulses with life. The city's dramatic landscape, a tapestry of lush mountains, sparkling beaches and tropical forests, provides a breathtaking backdrop. The rhythm of samba permeates the air, inviting visitors to embrace the city's infectious energy. As the sun sets over the Atlantic, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, Rio's true spirit comes alive. From the samba clubs to the beachside cafes, the city thrums with a joyous rhythm that is uniquely its own. Nestled between the majestic coast mountains and the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, Vancouver is a city where urban sophistication meets untamed wilderness. The air, crisp and clean, carries with it the scent of evergreen forests, a reminder that even in the heart of this bustling metropolis, nature is never far away. Towering skyscrapers, shimmering glass and steel stand as testaments to human ingenuity, yet they never seem to overshadow the natural grandeur that surrounds them. Vancouver's streets, a vibrant tapestry of cultures and cuisines, hum with a gentle energy. Here, the echoes of bustling markets mingle with the laughter of children playing in Stanley Park, 1,000 acres of primeval forest nestled on the city's edge. And as the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow on the city, one can't help but feel a sense of wonder at the sheer beauty and diversity of this Canadian gem. Journey with us now to the heart of Morocco, to the city of Marrakesh, a place where the senses are overwhelmed by a riot of colors, sounds and scents. Known as the Red City for its ochre-hued buildings, Marrakesh is a place where time seems to stand still. Narrow, winding alleyways, bustling souks overflowing with exotic spices and handcrafted goods, and the rhythmic chanting of muezzins calling the faithful to prayer transport visitors to a bygone era. In the heart of the Medina, the ancient walled city, lies Jama' El Fna, a vast square that comes alive each evening with storytellers, musicians and acrobats. The air crackles with excitement as the crowds gather, their senses ignited by the tantalizing aromas of grilled meats and sweet mint tea. Marrakesh is a feast for the senses, a place where ancient traditions collide with modern life in a vibrant tapestry of culture and history. From the ancient Medinas of Morocco, we venture now to a city of the future, Singapore, a gleaming metropolis that rises from the waters of Southeast Asia. A fusion of cultures and a testament to urban planning, Singapore is a city of superlatives. Towering skyscrapers, architectural marvels that pierce the sky stand as symbols of Singapore's economic prowess. Yet, amidst this urban jungle, green spaces abound. Gardens by the Bay, a futuristic park with towering super trees, is a testament to Singapore's commitment to sustainability and innovation. But Singapore is more than just steel and glass. Beneath its modern facade lies a rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. From the bustling hawker centres, where Michelin-starred meals can be had for a pittance, to the ornate temples and mosques that dot the city, Singapore offers a glimpse into the soul of Southeast Asia. From the heart of Europe, a city emerges as if plucked from the pages of a fairy tale. This is Prague, the capital of the Czech Republic, a place where history whispers from every cobblestone and spire. The Vltava River, a shimmering ribbon of silver, winds its way through the city, reflecting the grandeur of centuries past. Majestic bridges, each with a tale to tell, connect the historical districts, inviting exploration. Prague Castle, a sprawling complex of palaces, churches and gardens, dominates the skyline, a testament to the city's rich royal heritage. And as the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the city, one can almost imagine hearing the echoes of horse-drawn carriages and the murmur of medieval merchants. From the rugged peaks of the Alps, we descend into the heart of Europe to Vienna, Austria, a city steeped in history and culture, home to musical geniuses like Mozart, Beethoven and Strauss. Vienna boasts grand palaces and imperial gardens like the Hofburg Palace, a testament to its Habsburg heritage. Vienna is a vibrant modern city with a thriving art scene and legendary coffeehouse culture. As the sun sets, the music begins. From grand stages to intimate halls, Vienna comes alive with music, captivating audiences for centuries. Our journey takes us to Queenstown, New Zealand, a land of breathtaking beauty and adventure. Nestled amidst the Southern Alps, Queenstown pulsates with energy. Framed by mountains and a crystal-clear lake, it's a sight to behold. The Remarkables dominate the skyline, a reminder of untamed beauty. Queenstown is a haven for thrill-seekers, where adventure is a way of life. From the romantic streets of Paris to the vibrant energy of Tokyo, from the ancient ruins of Rome to the breathtaking landscapes of New Zealand, our journey has taken us to captivating destinations, each place with its own unique charm, its own story to tell, its own allure that draws travelers. We hope this journey has inspired you to explore the world. Remember, every journey has the power to broaden our horizons and connect us to the world. Click the link for essential travel products. As we bid farewell, remember the world is full of wonders. Until next time, happy travels.